Hey, how's it going, guys? This is going to be an interesting one for you all. This is a what's inside video. These are Cerwin Vega VE12s, and I'm going to guess you've reworked out their Cerwin Vega because of the red surround. Obvious giveaway. So these are the VE12 series, not VE12F, VE12. There is a difference. One is a bit of a cost-cutting measure. These in their hand, these are the original deal from 2007. And we're going to open them up and have a look inside. What should we start with? We're starting with the tweeter. Got my trusty screwdriver here. And we're going to open these bad boys up. So a bit of backstory. I live in Australia. Now, if you don't know much about Australia, we don't get many good audio brands. It was very difficult for me to get a Cerwin Vega set of speakers. Reason being is Cerwin Vega, even though they basically are worldwide, Australia's always had problems of getting products. We had a distributor for them and they basically just ran away on us, so there are not many of these in Australia. Anyway, tweeter. We got the tweeter out. Let's have a poke around and see what we've got underneath here. And it's going to be difficult. Also, this is not going to be edited or anything. This is going to be purely short. I'm going to use this CPU here to wedge this driver out. And this looks like it's going to be difficult. There we go. So, here it is, the 1.5 inch tweeter. Yeah, 1.5 inch. I'm not making that up. She's 1.5. Nice big ferrite magnet. Nice big thick cabling. Looks good. Yeah, I'll put that aside. Let's have a look at this mid-range driver. So this is a 5.5 inch mid. Pretty big for a mid-range. So these speakers stand at 88 centimeters tall. No, I don't know what that is in inches because this is Australia. So please don't ask me in the comments. Anyway, I've wanted these speakers for about 20 years now, since I was a young child. I saw them in a shop for $2,200, mind you. Cerwin Vega was always very expensive in Australia because it's very hard to get. Alright, so we've got a cover, plastic, and here's the driver. Let's pull that out as well and have a good look. Yeah, we got some polyfill down here. Nice little enclosure made for it. Here's the mid-range driver. 4 ohms. That's all it says. Decent sized little magnet, 1 inch force coil. It's definitely a short throw driver. Tell you what though, it can push out some sound. Really neat looking driver. I don't know why they didn't, why they put a cover on that. If they just like flush mounted that, that would have looked awesome. Come on Cerwin, you're dropping your game. No, we'll leave him here. Now for the main event, the woofer. This is the thing, every Cerwin Vega video you see on the internet, people are showing just the woofer doing its thing. I mean, yeah, I've waited 20 years for these. I got a whole system. I've got the V5s, I've got the V12s, the subwoofer as well. You know, I've waited 20 years to own these. And you can hear a little bit of excitement in my voice. Because I am actually very happy to own these. I've waited a long time. In America, you can have these for what? $600 a pair or something like that? And in Australia, you need to pay $2,000. And it's not just about paying money for it, because I've had the money. It's not about the money. It's about the fact that these are so rare in Australia that you can't walk into an audio shop and buy the damn things. But I found a pair secondhand along with everything else, and here we are today. I own Cerwin Vega. And yes, the foam is fine, nothing wrong with it. Alright, let's pull this big bugger out. Ah, yeah. Nice thick wires, thankfully. Smells like America. Alright, here's the woof. That's a woof. Look at that basket. Look at that basket. That's how a speaker's meant to be made. Woof! Beautiful. So we've got a cast iron basket. She's quite a heavy driver too, quite sturdy. It's a good, what, maybe 6 kilos? I've been lifting. We've got a good size, maybe 50 ounce magnet. But I mean, it's a decently sized driver all in all. Maybe a 1.5 inch voice coil. Oh yeah, it's cast iron. Definitely cast iron. So from what I've read, these are the last Cerwin Vegas to actually keep this basket. This is quite an expensive way to go about building speakers. So pretty much everyone else has gone to stamp steel after this, unless you want to pay a lot more money. The only let down in quality, the little dinky terminals here. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. This is a hi-fi product, and these speakers are rated for 330 RMS. Now, this is a really high-powered hi-fi loudspeaker. I wouldn't really classify them as being a hi-fi speaker, and I wouldn't classify myself as being an audiophile, but I do love these speakers. I think they sound excellent. Not audiophile, by any means, nah. But they have a nice sound to them. It's just, you know, you've had a long day at work, you come home, you sit down, you don't want to be listening to critical sound. You don't want it to be, you want it to be fun and exciting. And that's what these are. They are fun and exciting speakers that you could take to a party and deafen everyone. So yeah, we got the woofer. Here's the enclosure. Stay there, tweeter. It's quite nice and thick. Fine, I'll take you out. Mid-range can stay in. I'm not disconnecting all the wires, I'm too lazy. Now, you should be able to see the crossover over here. Nice thick plywood, I'm guessing? I don't know. MDF, plywood. I mean, it's got a bit of everything in here. If you can see it, here's the crossover. It's not too bad, actually. Oh, and it's got a fuse. How nice is that, hey? It's got a fuse. We got a 6-inch port. Lots of this polyfill stuff. It's filled with dust. But yeah, I mean, there's bracing in here. It's nicely built. They're well built speakers. And I am thankful for after 20 years, I finally found Cerwin Vega. I can finally stop watching all those videos on the internet of people going oots, 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 and do it myself. And I must say, my expectations were very high. But I have not been let down by these. I adore these speakers. And I think I'm going to have them for a very long time. Even down to the day where I have to reframe these drivers. Which I guarantee you, it's going to happen. I live in a climate that's, well, where I'm moving to. I'm actually moving, which is why I'm not putting out many videos. I'm moving to a climate where there's going to be a lot of moisture. So this foam surrounds and whatever, they're not going to last. But hey, we enjoy them while we have them. That's all we can do with speakers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very exciting moment with me. You can tell when I'm excited in the video because I'm actually excited. Thanks for watching. See you next time.